Hey, my name is Jacob Sloop. I'm the in-house customer support technician here at Superfici America. My focus here is to assist customers with their technical questions and troubleshooting. I often get calls and emails from customers when they get an error code on their machine or if something isn't working as expected. Many of the customer concerns I'm presented with can be solved easily over the phone. I can walk you through step by step or even send you access to video tutorials we have created to help you with service and maintenance. For more complex issues, I can come out to your site to perform service on your line or assist with repairs. I enjoy helping our customers. It's my job to get you back up and running as quickly as possible, and I take that very seriously. If you're needing help with your Superfici equipment, you can contact me through the support tab on our website, and I'll be in touch with you shortly.